Like this. 33 million. Never buy this, I like it.
Yeah.
Gaza Nation, see no beast here, you know. See that? Come on.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the
Vybz Kartel. You can't beat Vybz Kartel.
Yes, my people. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Big up always. Welcome back, you know. Yeah, man. Welcome. I'm going to tell you, we're there. Vybz Kartel today. You know, Vybz Kartel buying brand new piece. Porsche. Yes. Big top car. Yeah, man. Top of the line. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Big up the Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man. All out. Yeah, man, I do him thing. Don't know. Him thing, a him thing. Have a style and pattern. Come to teach people them about him kind of music style, you know? Of him music thing. Who want follow. Who want do for them own a thing. Do for them own a thing. Just so him do it. Yeah, man. Do it, him a do it. And him a do it. Everybody see it. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Vybz Kartel all the time. The beast up and running. And the people them out for it, you know. And out with you. Love to see it. Yeah, man. So big up yourself. And Mark Stewart. Mark Smith. Yeah, man. That's Stewart. So Mark. Yeah. I think we say. But Vybz Kartel and Alkaline. Big up yourself. And we are going to hear you out. Yeah, man. So anyway, people, check out Vybz Kartel beast them. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Porsche. Yeah. 30 and nil. Oh my. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Like this. 33 million. Never buy this, I like it. Gaza Nation, no beast here, you know. See that? Come on.
A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes, you snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Yes, my people. Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel beast look good. Yep. And it up and running. Yeah, man. Nice Porsche, you know. Yes. People are gonna talk all kind of things and criticize some are gonna pick him up. Yeah, man. But all kind of things, but you know. I'm gonna come out and make you know say I work hard for it, you know. Yeah, man. I make him shine. Well, him lock up for a long time, so him shine, you know. Now be on judger, you know. Make God be the judger. A business when you want to get it, and you want to do it. Yeah, man. Me and the judger. Yeah, man. So big up yourself. Always. All the time. to Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man. Now the subscriber them. Now the people them who watch my video. Yeah, man. Big up to all the YouTube channel them out there. Everyone, big up to yourself. No matter what kind of blogging you do. No matter how you do. Big up to yourself. Yeah, man. So we depend on a thing about with Mark Smith. Have a thing to talk. Some Mark. Have a thing to talk. About Vybz Kartel and Alkaline. You thrown. Say Alkaline a throw. Some talk. You cannot defeat Vybz Kartel. That him a say, no? You can't defeat Vybz Kartel. Anyway, I want to know hear what him have to say. Because him can talk for him thing the best way. That's what I say. Big up on yourself, my people. One love all the time. And check out what him have to say. Big up to him all the time. So Mark, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Now you think sort out, you know, you think you're easy. Big up yourself, man. All the time. Boom.
Alkaline versus Vybz Kartel.
You can't beat Vybz Kartel. You can't beat Vybz Kartel. You come with big song, you can't beat him. You come with talent, you can't beat him. You come with lyrics, you can't beat him. You come with style, you can't beat him. Why you think you can beat Vybz Kartel? You will put out song, but then now push it on the timeline. TikTok, I push Kartel. You come on YouTube, a Kartel, them a push. Them now push your music, so you can go on there with your talent. You think the talent is running things now? Kartel can put out a video every morning with him just brushing his teeth, and him a get views, but you now get none. You think the talent around the place? You don't have to have no talent. The only way to beat Vybz Kartel is not to beat him. But while he's brushing his teeth in the morning, the only thing you can do is be the mosquito in his ears. And when you continuously be the mosquito in his ears, he will have to answer you, just like he had to answer me. So you just keep on buzzing and buzzing and buzzing. Because guess what? Since Vybz Kartel, the TikToker them now make no money, them have to go look work. The YouTuber them now make money, them have to go look work. The people in the music business, them now make no money. All them a do show, and Kartel not even have to do no show at all. But him a make money. So, when Vybz Kartel brush his teeth in the morning, all you have to do is be the mosquito, just like what I did. And he will answer you. Because when you brushing your teeth in the morning and you keep on have to liquid mosquito, of course you're going to have to answer the mosquito. So Alkaline, where you are going with your Ferrari? Vybz Kartel go a Porsche dealership